We're making it out today to do a review on the Vance Hines slip-on mufflers for the Triumph Bobber Black. I have had these for just about a year, have thousands of miles on them, and have done some long trips on them and absolutely love them. But going to go through why, as well as try to get you guys as many different clips as possible. Let's see what they sound like. So that is a wrap for the different sounds for the Vance Hines mufflers with the Cadillac converter. I was choosing between these and some straight pipe looking mufflers, either with or without baffles, but decided that I wanted to do these. I think the overall look fits the bike better. They're a little bit quieter with still being louder than the stock ones, and for being a family man, coming and going quietly and not disrupting the family is a huge plus. Thank you guys for checking out this video. If you guys have any questions about the mufflers, leave them down below. If you guys like the video, of course, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I will be doing a bike check in the future of what I have done to it now. If you guys want any specific reviews on any of the stuff I have, let me know. I will get those out for you. Till then, peace.